or global info analysis.
Global info analytics.
So I research or say MPP. Sane okton MPP ayento. MPP ho kona bafom. The MPP oba otwema mema efrefre no ate abafom.
Yes, we shake in 2 years and dey crowd be amfi no.
Emfa.
Okay.
Osan say why another poll on the NDC race, you know, and now we no beginning and I'm can't say there be more of the analysis.
Okay.
Now, be a friend of reparations, and I quite think say in our democratic enterprise, you don't need to like somebody to give the person his credits in time. I'm starting free on them. Papa, that's why President Nana Danko Akufo-Addo. Obi a team change from they knows my, we see they know my respect and my reservations about his presidency.
Okay.
Reparations are celebrating and now President John Dramani Mahama achieve Ghana. No? It will be intellectually dishonest.
Yeah.
For anybody to say it's a Akufo-Addo nimo here. Once a constitution, very directive principles of state policy, it may not directly apply here.
Yeah.
But the principle in there is that a buying for be a bar. We are buying that down a year, you know. Constitution is show.
France be check ya dem am why.
Say we den otwaso. I come more example. Ye ni Cote d'Ivoire nya the case, the Itlos case no.
Right.
Say na Marita blew up upon na ya attorney general. Ye komu a ye case na MPP aban ban no. Madam Gloria Kufu ebeye attorney general no. Onne Madam Marita blew up upon enyina na kokko kabom. Enye case ni ma Ghana. If we need the case against the Ivory Coast. And the catcher will say, when we bring our energies together,
okay,
there's a convergence point at a Buamo mine conking.
Yeah.
Once you are applauding President, and especially Kujeta Black, because you see in the latter days, Kujeta Reverend Al Sharpton or Brazils or Brazil, they have the largest population of black descent.
Right.
Today's Brazilian president. On a Reverend, and so her. So he did a lot of work. Once we are applauding all of them for their work, we need to applaud President Akufo-Addo. I'm not saying applaud President Akufo-Addo because Nehoya Mefe. He said Akufo-Addo I'm applauding him because there's enough documented evidence to show that he started some conversation on reparations. And Akufo-Addo started a conversation about reparations. In fact, there were other Ghanaian scholarly workers. When you just sit on the internet and you do a case, you send a desktop research, you see a dossier,
a lot of
information. For example, you see African Union, President Mahama, this is their website. Let me go to the African Union website. This is it. This is African Union website.
Okay.
Or say a club proclamation on reparations, or say the International Conference on Building a United Front to advance the cause of justice and reparations to Africans, 14th to 17th November 2020, Accra 2023. This date, Akufo-Addo is president. In fact, Oko Feda or say the prayer one of the conference in India, we, the delegates participating in the Accra Reparations Conference held in Accra, Ghana, from the 14th to 17th November 2023 under the theme Building a United Front to advance the cause of justice and reparations to Africans. And then one President Mahama.
And one way.
In fact, me another source, City. And so say, Akufo-Addo to host leaders at Reparation Conference, November 13, 2020. So there's a dossier. If there's Akufo-Addo, yes, Akora, and these are documented facts. And you see, I may not agree. Me one of the persons as I reparation will be some independent viewer. I feel we should move on.
We should forget about it.
We should forget about it. Maybe you just, that's my independent view. That is me just an independent view.
Why? What's your reason?
That's it. I think that we also need to credit people who've contributed. It's like the independent struggle. I'll come back to my personal views later. You see,
Jeff, the reason why just check it for me now.
You see, the reason why Nkrumah takes the brighter place. I follow South African history a lot, and I've always said that, you see, when we are talking about the South African liberation story, Mandela is the trailblazer. No be celebrating. But Mandela's story changed because of the 27 years in prison. There were the likes of Walter Sisulu, Steve Biko, Paisley Kaikai Kiseseme, even Paisley. Paisley was the one who established the ANC.
Sure.
But Paisley was not president. And the same Ramaphosa Samana said, "Among young boys who be and the president." Thabo Mbeki.
So it started from somewhere.
Started from somewhere.
What you said, my Akufo-Addo.
Yeah.
At Accra, time or Kasa and
reparations.
Yeah.
Okay.
So let's listen to him.
Thank you.
To bring the subject of reparations firmly to the fore, changing, and it is time to bring the subject of reparations firmly to the fore. Granted, the current generations are not the ones that engage in the slave trade, but that grand inhuman enterprise was state-sponsored and deliberate, and its benefits are clearly interwoven with the present-day economic architecture of the nations that designed and executed it. Reparations must be paid for.
So that is Akufo-Addo.
Yeah, you see, Akufo, and one of the things I like about this InShareFM platform is that you say whatever you say about it.
Yeah, we come with facts.
I always say, journalism is a verification of facts.
Yeah.
So as journalists, our fidelity, it is some kind of fidelity. But I don't know, I like using the word fidelity. Our fidelity is to the truth and to the fact.
Sure.
It's not to your emotions. And to your emotions, and fact, I cannot substantiate your emotions.
Yeah.
That's all poor bar. I will promise my sure baby pa Charlie, oh brother man, you could die. That is emotion.
Sure.
But fact today, when it takes 100 years to come, was there a conference in Accra to talk about reparations? Yes, in 2023. Was Akufo-Addo the president of Ghana? Yes. Did Akufo-Addo start the conversation about reparations? Yes. Should we applaud Mahama for advancing and actually ensuring, say, UN pager,
yeah.
UN about say the UN General Assembly has declared the transatlantic slave trade the gravest sin against humanity. Whose presidency was this achieved? John Dramani Mahama.
Sure.
That is Mahama's record.
So it began.
So, but there's nothing that will be amiss if we applaud Akufo-Addo. You see, our politics, I can't enter the Biaman for because you be a wasting time on public service. Me may be a watching. I'm already me
your business.
I'm communicators. You use your document for sending me. So I contribute to the party some way somehow in my own small corner. Because I cannot understand where say chini washo near domedome who cancer. These are evident. And you see the reason why I even shocked is that when you're a young person, you have mobile phone, you have access to internet, research. It takes nothing away from you. In fact, in the last 3 speeches at the UN Assembly, find that you see sections on reparations.
Yeah.
These are documented facts, and there are other academics who started the conversation long ago. Now make independence to South Africa then. Peacefully Kaika is a sermon or TAs, you are the president too. And the same of my force. Boys and idiots in the BD. That is how life is.
Sure.
When you begin the journey, you are not always the one who comes to the full free who will be at the end of the time, or when the journey comes to full fruition.
Yeah.
People will come.
Yeah.
But let's do that because it doesn't engender confidence in people. And not kahona kokwa. Yes, because
continuity.
And you see, let me give you another. George Wakabusha.
Yeah.
Me also buy our commission of free Akufo.
Sure.
But Nana Komiaba you could be SCC driving school friend Yamadonko. We must learn these best examples. We must give credit where credit is due. So I thank you and your production team for that video.
Right, thank you.
So that is a komo ekoto abanon so no 1 2 3 abstinence 52 na against the 4-3 o my vote ma nyine but because of time we can't mention all the countries any idea. So that is the news there.
So 123 votes no in favor
and 52 abstaining and 3 against.
Right.
Now Mama started Musa Dankwa on the MPP.
Right.
I think wiki na me share Owia TV. Ina isinya bado mahene Kwamna Sante. Say Kwamna Sante. I don't know the name. Edubuache mahene Edubuache. Omo news station Owia. Na me share na me hu Professor Smasapon. Musa we professor in statistics na ka say Musa Dankwa de ne pool ba na obi abeka say wakwaji sika anyanya no kore no sisi. You don't or can't tell me to me kwa me I watch a lot and I listen a lot. Oscar we was say you don't respond to polls of just you challenge polls with polls.
Yeah.
And the Musa Dankwa say, but me abenya 57% ebem. Oh, but me enya sa obenya 40% na di po baba aka say Musa Dankwa boa. Onye yi a. Akwa asa wadwen na style bi kakra.
Yeah.
And akwa you know my position. I've worked with you for almost 3 years, right? You know my position on polls. I've always said that 2 things. Polls are like bikinis. Oba she bikini.
Yeah.
Who no for who. But move for the environment no so we be move for no eso ni din listen to me carefully. You must put in work for the lady to have confidence and say that brands and the better me
yeah,
that is how polls are.
Sure.
So the polls may not exactly be correct, but the polls give you a view, an impression, a perception of how people think. That is why I hear corruption perception in the Obian Kotus the Akufo-Addo to Galam say. Obian Kotus the Akufo-Addo and Sako first came more Ministry of Finance. But his government was perceived as corrupt. Why? Because of circumstantial evidence. So sometimes even how people see you is based on your appearance, based on your commentary, based on your mannerisms. And so bet me by you say mata player drawing board you can say you your hemia tenipa me pakata kata nema. But Saturday na yakata, Monday to Friday me would African print. But if you Saturday in kono so he will judge me based on me come here say me nimti Eugene akatani or we call a rapper. Obi met me woman tuntum me san to Eugene obo wi kama. Okay. Ana won akoko catch am so and pro na me nim a me nim tu manu tu me san tu. Ka do say me bo wi abaje di. What I say? So perception is very strong. So that's why they say that in politics, optics is almost a reality. So how you appear, how you go about things is very, very important.
Sure.
Now, having said that, Nippon or the buy no, me said I'm coming. They say I'm in an abusive relationship with them. Or you put on they are sending my channel. Also, in the part 12,572 na a casa.
Okay.
Or 16 regions. 83 constituencies. Or your face-to-face type of interview. Face-to-face just only nipan when your telephone conversations. Face-to-face just oko try and nipan na ne kasai.
Yeah.
Between the 5th of March and the 23rd of March 2020. About 18-day period. And the confidence level in the poll is about 99%.
Okay.
Now what you poll no? When ma kasai when ma my respond na ma na doso 49 almost 6 out of 10 nipa 10 you kase ba na ma be 6 na ma 4 age group is quite interesting no me 18 24 7% 25 to 34 34% 36% 25 to 40 any are there now kwa yenko the main poll
let's say the largest percentage of no kasai
yes both between the ages of 35 and 44
yenka youth no.
Wow. Relatively, because the youth, the World Bank picks it from 18 to 35.
Yeah.
So because the 35 bracket is, you can say that most students say find the 44 because you see 79%. I've forgotten the right figure. It's either 74, 79% of the total people on the 18 million voter register are below the ages of 44. And to see a fan I think that it mimics some because this is 60. This is 70, this is 77. So it tells you say 77% of the respondents in age between 18 and 44. So meaning that almost 8 out of 10 will kasai already from 18 to 44.
Sure.
And it mimics the voter register. The current voter register need use the two about 2024. About 70, I've forgotten the right figure. I see that's 77, 79 or 74. But around 70% of it is less than the age of 44.
Sure.
Which 44 that's how
David. Now almost 50 cross who youth. On compare. Party
affiliation.
We are currently live on YouTube. Yeah, issue with the Facebook, and so technicians try to restore. And join the YouTube rather. Obinya feed Eugene,
okay. And see, akokwa osha. Nipo no de buy no say nipa no ne omo kasa no so nipo no na every quarter ye quarter year no ye 3 months
okay
ntu chemu fo a na ye quarter e ye chero say January February March ye 1 quarter April May June ye 2nd quarter July August September ye 3rd quarter and October November December ye 4th quarter if the 4th quarter nipo no de buy no ene ye green no and no dey about first quarter and no blue no what you say but in some way no so no betimi the representative people in this but no be confuse you okay and the anya say last one or the buy before this one and green and a blue near current one at the aba no or in December no man no almost say party affiliated to the MPP body declaring through the face-to-face interview at 26%. Okay. And then Okwa Bon TV na body 25%. I'm going to say NDT near 41. And on my name, some NDC is 45%. There's NDC then a kosro. Once MPP then about form by 1 percentage point. NDC then a kosro by 4 percentage point. Among some floating voters, some 19%. Yeah, you floaty and you bet me at talk. Or you bet me at talk. Any idea no? No more dear no 19%.
Okay.
And then I will do 17%. Now it's a 2 percentage point for declare say they say they need baby a toko. Omo na others no e 3 ejina 3 na.
Okay.
Omo de ebia CPP, ebia UP, any ade.
Onye na adwen
so be free. And omo so mun disclose on 11% no. I will do 10%. So inferably no. MPP 1 floating voters 2 no. Any not disclose na free left number 10 1 no. And I have couple my phone no na ko can DC there no. How do you get it? NDC moving from 41 to 45%. Or moving by 4%.
4%, yeah.
MPP reduce from 26 to 25. Well, reduce by one.
Yeah.
And a floating voters reduce from 19 to 70. Well, reduce by 2. And a not disclosure remove a decline from 11% to 10%. 1. If 1 plus 2 plus 1 is 4. It's okay. No, not NDC for. But someone will ask, what is making the NDC have that appeal? For me, when you look at the executive summary, Musa Dankwa even said something here. Let me give you something that he said here. Or say, the poll which was conducted between Blabber candidates natural, the NDC declined and everything. Or say, data from the swing regions, Greater Accra, Central, and Western, which are critical in winning election in Ghana, is more alarming for the main opposition as the NDC now has 53% support compared to 24% for the MPP. So here we are disaggregating the data further.
Right.
If you call swing regions and mostly almost and most of the swing regions where the vote is normally where the party in power or the party who wins the power wins. These swing regions, you know.
Yeah.
MPP will support 53, NDC for 24. NDC for 53, once MPP for 24. Now, shall I say? The situation is no better in Akan-dominated regions. These are regions where the MPP normally enjoys good rapport.
Right.
Except Bunu East. We say, okay, the typical Bunu Ahafo there. Let's put it carefully.
Yeah.
The typical Bunu Ahafo region, you can say is MPP. But Omoyano Bunu Ahafo, Bunu East, you know, it seems Bunu and Ahafo is typical MPP, but Bunu East is not because of the constituencies there. Let me show you this. When you look at Drobonso, Afam Plains, and the places it borders are Sini East, Sini West, Siegi, some areas, and Kranza, it's typically NDC. It's because of a sub-sebio Amanfra. Domayenche. Because of a lot of farming activity, people who are naturally NDC from the northern region comes there to work. That is why MPP can never win the Drobonso seat. It's not anything. I was one of the people on the 6th of January 6th of January, 6th of December 2024. On Joy News, I declare NDC be keep Drobonso seat. Now those MPP win, NDC win less than 500 votes. I said Haja and Asira Frabe win. It's because of how that place. The largest ethnic group is the Kokuba area. Not even Ashantis. Ashantis are the third.
Okay.
So you can never win that seat. It's the same for Bunu East.
Okay.
Again, western of Western region. The western seems to be like NDC. Seems. It's not clear as in the western area. But these typical Akan areas, you know, are MPP drawn a strength, including the Ashanti region, which is the political bellwether for the MPP. Almost support, you know, 40, NDC 41%. Once MPP 26%.
Wow.
When you go to the northern region, NDC 46%, MPP 23%. So it tells you, say, the NDC or the MPP is in a very precarious situation. Now, Musa Dankwa, voter region, NDC popularity bafom. So it dovetails into Frank Kamakwe conversation about the voter region also may be thinking that the NDC has not really given them a match. The MPP supporting Ashanti region dwindling because they also think that maybe the MPP hasn't given them much. So it's two things here. Now people who say you be trying free, now they will look more at development, what you promised and what you delivered, and they will be able to do the juxtaposition and say that yes, ya Santefo ba Mahama ba obeye den compared to ya Santini and ya MPP ni eden buy no.
Right.
And it's a good thing for democracy if people start making such critical analysis to say ya di twa me fruma me ya Santini as me MPP ni me ya Eugene as me NDC but then na why
me pay development.
That was how the 2020 election went for the MP, but they didn't analyze. When the MPs lost that much, it was a statement, but they didn't realize it. Them. And it catapulted in 2024.
It's true.
So for me, we need to look at it that way. Now, another reason I said the MPP is sorry, the NDC is sorry. I'll give you instant, and people should watch it. GIJ now a Unimark because someday Naftini Adia boom. Marketing student here probably and I want about marking code. This is public. You can just Google marking Unimark. The school said that the MDC's popularity is soaring while the MPP popularity declined. This is September 2025.
Okay.
Market admitted. In fact, he said Sakoko school. Not certain University of Cape campus. The vibrant nature of Tescon and letting a BT room. He said it. I've given you a date. Me say a Unimark for a year. We invited political parties. We could remember NDC. Hassan Suhini niya.
Right.
Hamza Suhini. Afanyoma can call for the MPP. He admitted through his speech there. The second interview and Bema said Joe say was a former member of parliament for Bekwai.
Sure.
Only will be interview will be Busan say MPP party no. Enya Chairman Sabo, Mr. Chairman Sabo. Joe say was also admitted on that platform say. Based on his experience, I don't know who Bekwai constituencies no. It's true. It's a truism. Say there's something about the MPP or Molaka. I hope I'm say. Party will lose election by this momentum, by this gap, 1.7 million, nearly. Aqua party ninyakono. The results of the 2024 election reflect what Musa Dankwa is saying. Aqua say nipa 1.6 million say yempew.
Right.
That is huge. The MPP has never suffered such humiliation in recent history. It is huge.
It's true.
In Ashanti region, the NDC performed better than even the junior Jesus.
Yeah.
5C, 32%, almost 33%. That is historic.
Sure.
So it tells you that even within your base, they've rejected you. How much more than entire country?
Yeah.
But Akokwa, if you are an NDC person, what you must know is that in 2016, Mahama, if Musa Dankwa was polling around that time, these figures wouldn't have been different from Mahama in 2016.
Yeah.
But in 8 years, it's changed. So it tells you, Akokwa, whatever that the NDC have done, that social mobilization, then they can say me, Akokwa, Opoma be can say me wa, na man for some pacho. Also, no the politics nature. First, so when Israel and Emrewa, Merewa, na Akokwa ko TikTok. Emeya mutimi she paraphernalia she t-shirt this sadio moto sane ade yes how TikTok you be ni ade na Akokwa. You've seen a certain revolution.
Yeah.
You've seen a certain penetration of the youth by social media by NDC actors. So that is what is working for. They must keep it. Akokwa. The bottom line of these things is also that and I have no sense of that say who only 10 Ghanaians at least 5 because economy ne year.
Yeah.
That is me you say to do Busamia. I do lots of work. I earn some of my revenues through foreign exchange.
It's true.
I also buy building materials. I drive me tofu onibi. I do contract for other people. So I buy building materials and all that. Things are relatively better.
Yeah.
That's why I always say relatively better is Akokwa. Maybe relative no relative nyepe. So uchi vieta. Na me michi veta. Ye fu or ye bofu nkoma. Ye relative nyepe.
U be sunga cheme.
Akokwa ta say ye relative nyepe. So maybe relative there. And me relative there relatively. O pick 5 out of 10 Ghana. They will say that things are relatively what? Okay. So it tells you say if they're able to keep that momentum, whatever that they are doing, these numbers will keep showing for them. But as I said, the overriding principle is how well the economy will perform. 2023, I'm not going to no media term. Me catch them say, pick fetch, pick pick any poll that came. The reason why they were predicting for the NDC was what? The economy.
Yeah.
Because you see, as a science student, there's something called fulcrum.
Yeah.
As a car. It's a car engine, light to
yeah.
Seat no useless. Boot no useless. Tire useless. For me, especially looking at the last 6 years.
Yeah.
Monitor elections around the world. ANC, for the first time, they needed a coalition to form government. When you go to Botswana, a party that has been in power for 60 years lost. There's a wind that is blowing in Zakokwa. So nipa ne ne nsa hye ne botom. Na his on the life yembetai onye adwuma onye se the MPP twamifuruma onye se the NDC twamifuruma but 20 yawo.
It's about the pocket economy.
And Akokwa de bia me kase mi say John Mahama miminya o tia na kam bia o tumfo e kan sem kire president Akufo-Addo o say ko ka kire John Mahama say o so no TV 3 Mahama lose you no after so yeah interchange say bibia no say ne Ghana for pay den ayade hwe eduane akwa so betima toduro. These are the deliverables. So whatever Musa Dankwe can, for me, as I've always said, polls are like bikinis. A party reviews, a party conceives. A party reviews that the MDC is in a good ride. But in politics, a day is even enough to change a lot of things.
Yeah.
So okay, because you are not analysis. So a day is enough to change a lot of things. The MPP must also reflect on. Then I'm giving you. Crime documentary, they say something circumstantial evidence. There's a test message I'm just sending my Akokwa, my Bakokwa training with from that. So there's circumstantial evidence. I'm giving you a phenomenal speech at Uniman. Mama Joe say we should admission on SMPF. And even key functions of the MPP, what they say about their own party. I think that they need to reflect on it. And they need to bring in strategies to adopt new people. That's why Akokwa, the registration will be on. I support it. Let people register. There are certainly people being in the NDC they want to infiltrate such registrations and everything. But it gives you a view of the people wanting to align with the MPP. Then you develop strategies for them. There's something called data reportal, and people should pick it up. It's a lot of data insight to help some of these political. But that will be my view on it. The next one of the bad this week trend here.